friend, today we'll talk about the past indefinite tense, which is the first kind of the past tense. Let's go and deal with it. The past indefinite tense. Before learning this tense, we should have some verbs. The first forms are the second forms and third forms. The first verb is catch, the second form is caught, and third form is caught. Our next verb is there, that is stay, second form is stayed, and third form is stayed. The last verb is there, that is watch, second form is watched, and third form is watched. Use there, an action that started and finished in the past is called the past indefinite tense. It means any action that happened in the past or we did it in the past, that is called the past indefinite tense. Mostly before now, whatever we did, that is counted in the past tense. Mostly the past indefinite tense is used in stories or events which occurred or happened in the past. Now see the timeline. There are three tenses: the past tense, the present tense, and the future tense. Now you can see there that is past indefinite tense because the action happened in the past, we started and finished. So it is known as the past indefinite tense. Let's go and see the identification. The first identification is the verb. We use the second form of the verbs. Catch second form is caught, stay second form is stayed, and watch second form is watched. Second identification is the helping verb. There is just one helping verb, that is did. It means this helping verb did is used with all the subjects, whether that's first person, second person, or third person. Anything we use there, did. Now how to make a positive sentence? First we write subject, then the second form of the verb, and plus object and plus full stop in positive sentences. Our first verb is catch, so second form is caught. Example is there, he caught fishes. He caught fishes. Now in this sentence, he is our subject, caught is the second form of the verb, and fishes is our object. He caught fishes. Now how to make the negative sentence? Subject we write he, and helping verb. Our helping verb is did, he didn't. Now here we write catch first form, catch fishes. Now this is our negative sentence. As you know that after subject we use did not and first form of the verb and plus object, because two second forms we cannot use unless it is a compound sentence. How to make an interrogative sentence? We bring helping verb at the beginning, like did. After did we use subject, did he. Again we use first form of the verb, catch, and fishes. So fishes is here our object, and at the end we use the question mark. They stayed in a hotel. They stayed in a hotel. Now they is our subject, stayed is our second form of the verb, in a hotel is address or place. It means where they stayed in a hotel. How to make a negative sentence? The same formula is there. We use subject. After subject we use didn't. Again we use the first form of the verb. After did, they didn't stay in a hotel. Then negative, they didn't stay in a hotel. How to make an interrogative sentence? Quite easy. We use did at the beginning. Did they stay? Again the first form comes. Did they stay in a hotel? Now this is an interrogative sentence. The last verb is there, that is watch. She watched a movie. She watched a movie. Now this is a positive sentence. She is our subject, watched is our second form, a movie is our object. Now how to make the negative sentence? Quite easy. After she we use did not, she didn't. After didn't we use first form of the verb, watch, a movie is our object. So the sentence becomes, she didn't watch a movie. How to make an interrogative sentence? We bring did at the beginning, like did she watch a movie? Did she watch a movie? At the end we use the question mark. So our sentence becomes an interrogative sentence. I hope you got them and you understood them, how to make the sentences. Exercise number 1, there are sentences, they might be looking incomplete or wrong. You have to arrange them in correct order. And second, that you have to make the positive, negative and interrogative sentences. First one is the he is subject and drive is the verb, a car is our object. Second is the she teach English. Third one is the they like apples. Fourth one is the we beat them. Fifth one is the he helped the poor. Sixth one is the she make a mistake. Seventh one is the you steal a car. Eighth one is the we win the match. Ninth one is the he get first position. And the last one is the I run a shop. Now this exercise needs to be completed with the past indefinite tense, and you are going to make the positive, negative and interrogative sentences. Now in this exercise we will see the difference between the present indefinite tense and the past indefinite tense. Now example is there, he reads a book. Well, this is a positive sentence of the present indefinite tense. If you want to change it into the past indefinite tense, we can change it into he read a book, because read second form is read. Now it becomes a positive sentence. How to make a negative sentence of the present indefinite tense? As you know, here the helping verbs are do and does. Example is there, he doesn't read a book. It is a negative sentence. How to make the past? As you know that in the past indefinite tense the helping verb is did, so we can make the sentence he didn't read a book. Now how to make an interrogative sentence? Just here we write does he read a book? Then question mark comes here. This is question mark because it becomes an interrogative sentence. How to change it into the past tense? We write here did, like did he read a book? Then question mark. So just this is the difference between the present indefinite tense and the past indefinite tense.